With millions of Americans filing taxes every year, you may wonder whether the IRS would notice if you decided to skip sending yours. How bad would it be, really, if you didn't file your taxes on time or ever? It's not a risk you want to take. The IRS keeps pretty close tabs on who files their taxes and when. If yours are late or you don't pay them at all, they're most likely going to notice, and you're definitely going to pay extra for procrastinating. The IRS charges a penalty of 5% of your original tax bill per month that you're late, for up to 5 months. In other words, waiting could raise what you owe to the government by 25%, and that's just for starters. Filing more than 60 days after the tax deadline is subject to a minimum penalty of 100% of your unpaid tax, or a set fine of $435 in 2020, whichever is less. And that's on top of the taxes you still owe. Worse than that, if the government can prove you failed to file in an attempt to avoid paying taxes, you could get charged with criminal tax evasion. The IRS doesn't pursue this crime very often, but you can go to jail for failing to file, especially if an audit finds other signs of fraudulent behavior. Beyond fees and legal risks, not filing your taxes can also make it difficult or impossible to apply for things that require a copy of your most recent federal tax return, like federal student loans, mortgages, and some government benefits. Not filing your taxes in recent years means you also may have missed the government's 2 COVID-19 stimulus payments. Fortunately, it's easy to avoid all of these consequences. If you're not ready to file when tax day rolls around, just file for an extension. If you're a gig worker or are self-employed, be sure to make your required quarterly estimated payments to the IRS. It's not much fun, but it will help you avoid a hefty tax bill at the end of the year, along with further penalties or complications related to late filings.